Look at that beautiful sunset. Let me help you. Ooh. And today what I want to do is take off the Logic ECU. But I also want to go over a couple things that recently happened to my car that I'm a little, you know, it's the Kia things I feel like are starting to come alive right now. And it's only 18,600 miles, so I may end up Audi. I don't know. Can't make any real decisions right now. I'll give you guys a sneak peek on this rear diffuser though. Oh, that's all you get. I actually think it's really clean, but I got it fixed. I got through it. Oh my gosh, I think it's working. Look at all this baking soda. Dude, I think it really worked. Cause the towel, like I can smell that stuff on the towel. I'm gonna vacuum all this out and smell it. And I might put baking soda on it overnight, hit it one more time, and I think it'll be completely gone. And I got someone gonna fix this rubber grommet because I screwed it up and I can't get it no matter what. I spent 2 hours trying and I give up. I don't really smell anything in there, but I'm gonna roll the windows up and just kind of see when I come back out here if it stinks. I'm also gonna spray it with Lysol. Hopefully I don't have to take it somewhere, but I may need to. Okay, so at this point you're probably saying, what's this video about? Okay, well, two of the things that happened are my fault. The rubber grommet came out of the hole down there, but this is what's weird. The smell that I was complaining about this whole time wasn't even from the floor mat. You're not gonna believe what this smell was, dude. Keep watching. Good morning, everybody. I've tried using like the little orange pry tool things to get on top of it and bring it back, but dude, all right guys, so first things first today, we're gonna go get this rubber grommet seated and fixed. Then I have an appointment for a guy to come out to my house and he's going to do like a deep cycle steam clean on the carpets. I'm just gonna have him do all the carpets because my daughter spilled a big ass thing of water back there and never told me about it. But that part, it doesn't stink back there. It's up here. I've tried baking soda, I've tried like all the online YouTube, like there's definitely some improvement, but imagine going on a date and a girl gets in your car and she's like, what the f? See ya. It's just not a good situation. They're about to take it back there.
So what I did is I pulled the grommet all the way through and it's got a little lip on the edge. So I just fed the lip in with a screwdriver.
Okay, so did you start at the bottom of that lip and just kind of...
Yeah, and just fed it through. It's just a tiny little lip.
Yeah, I tried to take the little tool to pop the tabs off for those covers. I tried to do that and pull it back through. You're the man, dude.
Oh, you're welcome.
I appreciate you guys.
Oh, appreciate it.
Oh yeah, perfect. Yeah, dude, I go through the car wash and stuff, and then down here it stinks, so I got to get it clean today. It's kind of bullshit. Awesome, man. Some things you just have to go see a pro. I can't do everything. All right, Bill, I appreciate you, man. Okay. All right, we are on a winning streak now. Good things happening. I'm gonna have to run this through the car wash to make sure there's no water coming through there, but that freaking rubber grommet is a pain, dude. Do not pop it out all the way, guys. But if you do, I wanted to post that so you know what to do. Let's go. Whoa. Oh my God. It just started misting though, but the roads are dry. Moment of truth. So this has the underbody wash. Let's see if it leaks. Scratch, 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 scratch. We're good. I love it. All right, we're good. Sweet. Awesome. Back to normal. All right, shout out to the subscriber who told me to be using edgeless microfiber cloths. I guess I haven't been, so thank you for the tip, bro. I'm gonna go stop by the auto parts store right now and grab some. Oh, here we go. This is it right here. I can tell. There's no edge on them. Those are dope. All right, let's do this. Ooh, drip sauce. Is it time for an Audi? Actually, it might help if I have some detailer. I figure what I would do is I'd try this company. I've read some good stuff about them. Best in Show Detailer. Boost your color, depth, clarity between washes. Tux mats, which kind of blows. especially this one back here. Tux mats. All right, man. So we got, I had to call a pro up, man. He brought it. What's your name, man?
My name's Wes Jewell. I'm a young business owner. Started been doing this about 4 years. I detail cars, so it's my little living I make right now until I'm out of high school. Today, I'm gonna be cleaning all his carpets out, getting hopefully this odor out.
Took the Tux mats out for you, so you got a fresh, clean surface to work with here, man.
Yeah, I do mobile. You can come to me as well.
Sweet, dude. And then you said, like, if you did the whole interior, so like the services you offer, man, like you said you would do the seats, the headliner, all that stuff too?
So I do a max interior, I call it. It'll touch every bit of the interior you can get.
Okay.
Anything you can get, it's full service. I charge baseline $200 for that.
Okay.
I mean, I could go down for something like this clean, but
you do outside, you do like the wheels,
yeah,
like full detail?
Exterior. So yeah, I do paint corrections, ceramic coatings, waxes, all that. You can look me up on Google.
That's where I found you, Google.
Yep.
Awesome. Dude, that's
titanium detailing. Yeah.
I hired him because of the shirt, man. 1320, dude. I'm really hoping this works. So you think that's gonna get that smell out? You've dealt with this before?
Oh yeah, I've dealt with things crazy. I mean, I've dealt with mold, I've dealt with all kinds of bad smells, so.
Take your time, I appreciate you, dude. Okay. How was it, man? Were you able to see like the water extracted?
Actually, yeah, it wasn't really in the front. Right over here, I found a couple spots of like something that could be growing. I don't know if there's some kind of mold or some kind of residue in there.
Dude,
but
that's where
I
my
could tell my
daughter spilled
chemicals
that water.
Yeah, so my chemicals, I sprayed a really strong cleaner right there.
Okay.
And I could see it start foaming up. I was like, there's gotta be something right there. So.
But up here wasn't that bad?
No, not bad at all. I found a couple little spots where it foam up quite a bit more than others, so I scrubbed it all up, got it all extracted, so.
Smells good in here, man. Yeah,
I mean, even your carpets alone, quite a bit of dirt in there, but it's hard to tell with all that foam.
Yeah.
But once you dump it out, you see all that. You smell it.
That's dark. Does it smell? Does it have that moldy smell?
Probably. I can't
Oh, it does, dude. Hell yeah. Cool, man. I can't believe you did all that for 40 bucks.
Awesome, I appreciate it.
I'm pretty happy with this dude, man, with what he did with the carpet. It actually looks and smells good. I'm going over the Tux mat with this WeatherTech, their competitor, protectant thing. And I'm also washing like underneath the mat. Yeah, dude, this was insane. This happened like that. So if you guys have like if you start smelling any mildew or anything, like you gotta go after that right away. I'm getting all my affairs done, taken care of today with the car. So check this out. Remember I fixed this? This will cause a hatch rattle in the Stinger. You might think it's the common hatch problem. Many times it's this, I let people know, because this starts off very slight. It'll sound just like the hatch rattle, but then this starts bouncing and it gets really loud. If you hear any rattles, go check that first. It's the cheapest thing to fix. I love that. I love to see 19-year-olds freaking starting businesses and just being like ambitious, man. What's up? I was helping him out, man. Start that YouTube channel, do some ASMR, whatever, dude. Make a channel while you detail a car before and after. Put all the chemicals, all the products you use in the description. Get some Amazon affiliate links, more income, never stop. I'll let you know how this stuff does. This is a little bit of a porous. I mean, it's squishy. So it's not like the WeatherTech where it's like really hard, porous and soft, but it looks like a WeatherTech. It's weird. They look nice, but I think for protection, I think the WeatherTech would be ultimate, but these look better. All right, so I just put some Gorilla Glue on there and I'm gonna set some weight on it. I'm gonna let that dry. This stuff's pretty thick, so do not use super glue. That's like watery. You gotta use something thick like this. See if that works. So it is cured. It did squeeze out there, but I mean, it's gonna be underneath. You won't see it, but still, it's fixed. This is like on there really, really good. So we're gonna end this day here in celebration, get some photography up the Midwest. The leaves change colors. If you guys never experienced this, it's awesome. We don't get attacked by this goose here. I'm scared of geese. I will pump that thing in the water. Okay, so after all of that work, I shut the car doors, windows up, came out the next day, and it still stunk. So what I did is I just grabbed some interior cleaner and I started going around in that center console. There's like a little rubber piece, this thing right here. Yeah, this thing just reeked so bad. I freaking washed it with Dawn dish soap and let it air dry, and then I even soaked it in Lysol. It's the worst smelling piece of rubber ever. If it's just like, it was just the rubber. It's so weird, so. He like went from being curly and fluffy to wet and just like little corrosive. Hey, Sheila. We're getting some sick pictures today. Look at all the leaves changing, man. That looks so awesome. Okay, I'll throw that one up on the screen. Look at that, look at that. That's the tree I'm talking about. That's no filter. So this right here is the this is the Sigma 56 mil f1.4 lens. This is a portrait lens, but I'm using it for everything today, and I'm actually getting some really good shots. I don't think you're supposed to do that, but oh well. Looks awesome. Callie, do you want to be on camera? No. Okay, no problem. Are you recording? Freaking gorgeous in here, dude. Look, sick. This is like my own little sanctuary for photography. So I started a new Instagram. It's called Artworks. Name subject to change, but I really love photography. It makes me happy. I like to edit the photos. I did drop my camera and I messed it up, but it's not too bad. You see at the top here how there's like a little black line coming down? So when I dropped my camera, look at this. This is insane. You see how that little green line on the sensor there, how it went up? That's what that is. However, right now it's not working. I can't buy a new camera and it still works. I can just crop that off, so I got lucky. It still works and it takes awesome pictures. So. Whereas I was complaining about the Kia, there are just a lot of rattles. The hatch rattles, that little thing in the back breaks easy, rattles. The center arm console, like I noticed some days, more when it's warmer out for some reason, but it's like crick, 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 makes a bunch of noises. The paint quality, everybody knows, isn't that good. I have been hearing people lately having a lot of issues with coil packs on these cars. I mean, the engine and trans, I think, are pretty bulletproof. Considering the people I know with this engine and this car and how like water mess CPI rolls and drags every weekend, it's holding up pretty good, but there's also some failed transmissions and turbos out there. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Mine's at 18,900 miles and I'm kind of like, I'm starting to feel the wear. 2 years ownership, so I got some videos I'm going to be making like on a review update, just like, you know, pros and cons. Considering selling the car, I don't know yet. We'll see. Have some pretty awesome opportunities coming my way. More to come on that, but oh, it's so awesome. Look at that blurred background. You see how that? Yeah, it's so awesome. Cool. Tuning in. I'm trying to upload a video a week right now, so make sure you hit the bell button after you subscribe, because watching the videos helps me the most. So until the next one. Catch you later. Peace. All right, dude, it's been about a week and it smells so delicious in here. So of course everything's been cleaned out, but my brother brought over this chemical, guys, new car air freshener scent. It's in like a green spray. I put 2 sprays underneath each seat. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it smells delicious. Oh yeah. It's so clean, dude. It's like such a clean scent. Yeah, we're back. Actually, we're better. I would recommend this. It's kind of strong at first when you first spray it. Give it a couple days after. So this has been about a week in the making of this video, and I'm happy. The car smells better than it did before. It's cleaner than ever, and it's a beautiful day. I'll catch you later. Peace.